Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, if you are new, hi, hello, my name is Trish. Sorry about the weird intro, let me take that again. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you are new. Hi, hello, my name is Trish. Sorry, my cat is being loud. Say hi, Bellos. Bellos. Hi, babies. Look. This is Bellos. His sister Bashful is somewhere in this house, probably trying to destroy it like she usually does, along with him. They are long-haired tabbies with Maine Coon in them. They're almost 3 months, but they're huge. Yeah. He's Sarah's baby, but we all know whose kid he is. We all know whose baby he is, even though he's my sister's cat. Ouch. Yeah, gotta get him, at least trim their claws a bit. Or declawed, depends. Ouch. Because they hurt. They're like pinpricks. Except when they need your head. That feels kind of nice. You gotta get them spayed and neutered. Yeah, get you neutered. What are you looking at me weird for? This is what always happens. Babies, you're on candid camera. You just love being loved, don't you? Love being pet. He's already like longer than a regular 3-month-old cat. This is the size he is. He's huge. Look at that face. He's so adorable, but look at that face. He's got a chubby face. He got a chubby face. That's what he's got. But yeah. If you like my videos, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell beside it to get every new video that I post. Sorry, my tongue doesn't want to work today. And I'm always excited to have new people.
Holy shit.
Have new people join the family. I am so sorry about that. My sister's sneeze almost killed her. But I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.